Today's video is very important because I'm going to show you how to start print on demand from $0 in 2026, step by step. No inventory, no upfront investment, no experience required. If you are in the USA or targeting the US market, this video is perfect for you, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Step 1. What is print on demand? Print on demand means you sell custom designed products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, tote bags. But here's the best part. You don't print anything in advance. A product is printed only after a customer places an order and the supplier handles printing, packaging, shipping. You just focus on design and marketing. Step 2. Choose a free print-on-demand platform. To start from $0, you need free platforms. Best print-on-demand platforms for 2026, Printify, Printful, Gelato. These platforms are free to sign up and they integrate with online stores easily. No monthly fee, no upfront costs, pay only when you make a sale. For beginners, I recommend Printify because it has multiple US suppliers and competitive prices. Step 3, create a free online store. Now you need a store to sell your products. To start from $0, use Etsy, best for beginners. TikTok Shop, Amazon, Merch on Demand, approval needed. Etsy is the easiest because built-in US traffic. No need for ads at the start. Easy setup. You only pay a small listing fee after uploading products, not upfront. Step 4. Find winning design ideas. Design is everything in print on demand. You don't need to be a professional designer. Here's how to find winning ideas. Search Etsy for bestseller tags. Look at trending niches, funny quotes, patriotic USA designs, pets, dogs and cats, fitness and gym motivational quotes. Never copy designs. Take inspiration and create something unique. Step 5. Create designs for free to design for $0. Use Canva, free Kittle, free plan. These tools have ready templates, fonts, icons. Just add text, adjust colors, and export your design. Simple designs often sell better than complex ones. Step 6. Upload products and set price. Now connect your store with Printify or Printful. Steps. Upload your design, choose product, t-shirt, hoodie, etc. Select US supplier, set your price. Example, product cost, $10, you sell for $22. Your profit, $12 per sale. Print-on-demand margins are very healthy. Step 7. Get free traffic. To start with 0 ads, use TikTok, organic videos, Instagram Reels, Pinterest pins, post, product mock-ups, funny niche videos. Trending sounds USA traffic from TikTok is extremely powerful in 2026. Consistency is key. Print on demand is one of the best online businesses you can start from $0, even in 2026. If you stay consistent, test designs, and target the US market correctly, this can become a full-time income. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment POD if you want a full tutorial series. See you in the next video.